In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly begin your journey with GitHub by creating and importing a repository for your Tableau project. GitHub is a powerful platform that's widely used for version control and collaboration on coding projects. Even if you're new to it, don't worry, we're going to walk through this together step by step. Let's start by navigating to GitHub. If you're not already logged in, you might want to sign in using your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. The first thing we want to do is go to your profile. This is easily found in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Little by little, we'll move towards the action center of your profile page. See that tab labeled Repositories? Go ahead and click on that. This is where you manage and view all the projects you're currently working on or have worked on in the past. Now, since we're looking to create something new, we want to hit the New button, which is prominently displayed for starting fresh projects. Right next to it, you'll find an option labeled Import a Repository. Click on this to bring something already in existence into your GitHub environment. Now, regarding importing a repository, if you have a Tableau project or any other type of project that you've been developing elsewhere and wish to bring into GitHub, this is exactly what you want for smoother version control and collaboration. Make sure you have the URL of the existing repository that you wish to import ready, as this is necessary for the next step. Once you've clicked on the Import a Repository option, GitHub will prompt you to input the URL of the repository you want to bring into your account. It's as simple as copy and paste. On top of that, you can configure your repository by adjusting visibility settings, either keeping it private or open to the public to engage with other users who might benefit from or contribute to your project. And just like that, you're done. Your repository will be successfully imported, giving you and your team the capability to start working on it right within GitHub. This not only ensures all work is centralized, but also offers a robust platform for managing your project tasks, collaborating with others, and maintaining a reliable record of all changes made over time. Importing your project into GitHub opens up abundant opportunities for collaboration and continuous development, as version control helps manage the entire process with ease. So that's it for today's video. We've embarked on the first steps into navigating GitHub's extensive functionalities by setting up and importing a repository. Keep exploring and experimenting with your projects and repositories, helping to build your skills and reach your project goals effectively. Thanks for joining me today, and happy coding!